Good morning everyone. This is my explanation of emergency and contingency plan. A muster station is a spot of Good morning everyone. This is my explanation of emergency and contingency plan. A muster station is a spot on a ship or in a facility where in case of an emergency like fire, evacuation or natural disaster, people gather. It is where the crew and passengers must assemble so that their safety procedure will be followed accordingly, such as boarding lifeboats or preparing to evacuate. Muster stations form part of emergency preparedness plan of any ships. Abandon ship. Abandon ship is a command that is given to the crew or passengers of a ship to leave the ship because it is in danger of sinking or facing another emergency. It usually means getting up the vessel into lifeboats or life rafts to ensure safety. The phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe abandoning a failing project, plan, or situation. Fire alarm is an emergency detecting system that detects smoke, heat, or flames and alert person with a loud signal to evacuate the premises or take other forms of safety precautions in case of a fire. It makes sure everybody is ready in emergency. Everyone knows exactly how to act swiftly and accurately in the event of an emergency. They give familiarity with the procedures and equipment among the crew and passengers, ensuring reduced panic and confusion in real life. Moreover, drills reveal flaws in an emergency plan to enhance them even before the happening of a real event. Briefly, it saves lives, having people ready for action, thereby ensuring preparation and a concerted action under stress.